Hello students, this particular video is based on unit test number 1, that is related to subject geography, and the syllabus for this particular unit test was population part 1 and population part 2. This particular video consists of total 25 MCQs. These are the solved MCQs with their answers. So let us start with it. So the first question is, dash geography studies man and his adjustment to his natural environment. Options are physical, regional, human, cultural. So the right answer is human, because only in human geography we can understand about the study of man, that is related to the population, related to the distribution of population and other factors. Next question, dash is the real wealth of any nation. Options are population, mineral oil, speedy transport, computers. So the right option here is population, because the population has a tendency for always, it has a tendency of growth, and if it is utilized properly, population itself works like a resource, and if it is utilized properly, then definitely it is a real wealth of any nation. So the right answer is population. Next question, factors like agriculture, industries, transport and urbanization are commonly known as dash factors. Options are economic, social, physical, political. So here the right answer is economic factor, because agriculture, industries, transportation and urbanization are giving an or earning an economy for their particular country. Next question, deserts have dash density of population. Options are very high, high, medium, low. The desert has a lack of water supply, where the sand is not fertile and where the cultivation of agriculture is not possible. Hence, because of this, the density of population in the desert area is very low. Next question, the most important feature of population distribution in the world is dash distribution of population. Options are uneven, even, sparse and thick. So the right answer is uneven, because you can notice that in the whole world there is different population count at each and every place. Next question, sex ratio in the state of dash is high. Options are Kerala, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Goa. So the right answer is Kerala, because the number of females is high in Kerala. So because of that, definitely the sex ratio will be high. Next question, large number of people in the world belong to dash religion. Options are Hindu, Muslim, Christian, Buddhist. So there are so many countries which follow the Christian religion. So the Christian is the right answer. Next question, plains have dash density of population. Option is moderate, low, high and very low. So the right answer for this particular question is high. Next question, there is a very high density of population in Asian countries due to dash. So the options are favorable environment for the development of agriculture, rich mineral resources, industrial development, many natural resources. So the right answer for this particular question is favorable environment for the development of agriculture. So many countries which belong to the Asian continent are engaged in the agricultural activities. Next question, all the countries in the desert region have thin population due to dash. Options are high temperature and acute shortage of water supply, hilly and mountain reliefs, poor transport facilities and poor natural resources. So because of high temperature in the desert area, it is very hot. So, and because of the water shortage, most of the countries in the desert have very low population. Next question, when the birth rate is high and the death rate is low, then definitely the population growth is dash. So options are high, low, stable, moderate. If the birth rate is going on increasing and even the death rate is going on decreasing, then the number of population is definitely going to increase. Hence, the population growth will be high. Next question, People migrating from India to USA for better job are called as dash migration. Options are economic, social, religious and cultural. So here whenever any person is migrating from a developing country to the developed country, then definitely he is migrating for a better job, and that comes under an economic migration. Next question. Large labor forces moving to different areas during the period of harvesting is known as dash migration. Options are seasonal, political, forced and social. So in this particular question, they have mentioned that they are going only to a specific period, means in an harvesting period. Because of that, this type of migration is called as seasonal migration, which takes place at a certain period only. Next question. Migration has direct effect on dash. Options are sex ratio, literacy rate, age structure and population density. So the right answer for this particular question is population density. Next question. Dash migration takes place between two different cities. So if both the places are developed places or cities, then we call it as urban to urban migration. Next question. Dash is the most common type of migration in the world. Options are urban to rural, urban to urban, rural to rural, rural to urban. So the right answer is rural to urban, because most probably and most commonly the migration always takes place from a low developed place to a high developed place where all the facilities and amenities are available. Next question. Dash is the most uncommon type of migration in the world. Rural to urban, rural to rural, urban to urban, urban to rural. So the right answer is urban to rural, because many a times once a person migrated, which gets migrated from rural to urban, that is very much common, but it is very rare that a person from a very comfort zone, he goes back to the uncomfortable zone, that is from urbanization to the ruralization. Next question. Dash factor is one of the prime motives for any kind of migration. Options are socio-cultural, economic, political and religious. So the right answer here is economic, because under economic you have the things like employment, higher education, better lifestyle, better studies. Okay, so because of that, economic factor is the most prime motive of any kind of migration. Next question. Migration of population towards urban areas is mostly because of dash. Options are search of institutes, search of transportation facilities, search of employment and search of commodities. So definitely migration is basically done for search of employment. Next question. When a person migrates from India to London for a better job, it is called as dash type of migration. Now here you have four options, that is economic, social, religious and cultural. So the economic is an right option, because for the better job or to earn more money, the factor is going to be considered as economic factor. Next question. The oldest occupation of man is. Options are mining, manufacturing, agriculture and trade. So the right option is agriculture, because since ancient time the agricultural activity is being carried away. Next question. Dash industries are supposed to be the nation's secret of growth. Options are engineering, iron and steel, cotton textile, information technology. So the engineering industries is the right answer for this particular question. Next question. Dash plays an important role in the establishment of industries. Options are raw material, capital, power resources and climate. Here all the options are very much important if you take and startup of any industry. but the most prominent thing which is required is the capital. Next question. In sugar production, beet is more important raw material than sugarcane because options are beet can be preserved for a long time, beet are easy to carry, bagases are remaining in large quantity from sugarcane, and none of the above. The right option is that it can be easily transported from one place to another place. So that is the right answer, B. Next question. The cheapest mode of the transportation is. So here you have four options. First is waterways, airways, roadways and railways. So among all these four options, the waterways is the cheapest mode of transportation. Hence this is the right answer. So this is all about the geography's unit test, which was based on population part 1 and population part 2. Thank you.